So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Thomas video, and we're going to burp today. Well, this is my second video of burping, so if you guys like to burp, then just subscribe. If you guys hate to burp, just don't subscribe. I'm just kidding. Just leave it alone, and yeah. Because, I hate when people doesn't subscribe, and there's a better way to do it. So, today, well, I'm not allowed to do. So today I'm gonna burp. I'll probably burp like the milk's hungest one, and now some cuts. Well, first it was my neck, where I had like a sore neck, and then the next day I had a fucking big cut. Oh no. I had a big cut, so I had to put a band-aid. Well, this is not a band-aid, but this is, as you can see. And I'm not gonna show you my blood, you're gonna get freaked out. You'll be like, and then, my cousin named Paloma, Noel's video. Well, it's not Noel. Noel's like a YouTuber. He's my cousin too, so as you guys know that, he's my cousin. He does YouTube too, and Jose does the YouTube too. Because I know people, I remember they told me, so, and I don't know what I'm talking about. And Paloma, she did shit to my arm. She like squeezed, she like twisted it, and then it was all sore. It was like blood is like fucking. It's like the vein is like blocked or something. But that's not what we're talking about today. So we're gonna burp from my stomach, and but this one's not about the cheat thing. So oh yeah, damn it. Alright, so if you guys don't know how to burp, just look for like how do you burp Thomas video. Yeah, you should look for that. And, yeah. These things are bothering me. I don't know why. It's just this. Yeah. And the time, what time is it? It should be like 8, 9, 10 or something. Yep. You liked that? Okay, raise your hand if you liked that. I kind of did. So. If like anyone I know, like Noel, Diego, Lucas, whoever's watching this, or like Darren or Justin, I guess. Then and to do YouTube, I think you have to buy like. Oh, I'm not gonna tell you. I'm not a bait jerk. So, sorry. I do double burps every time. And I started burping like a long time ago. Okay. I think I I should get my camera. That was so much. And no one's here with me. It's just me. So, sadly, So, I got my cap on. So, what you want to do? Like, yeah, okay. I just got too excited about learning that. Like, this is my mom's hat right here. Yeah, okay, what's my time? So I should say goodbye. Yeah. Alright, so thanks for watching this video, and say a like in my YouTube action. So I'll see you guys. Well, subscribe. I mean, so I'll see you guys there. Don't forget, stay up for the video. See ya.